Hi, if you are experiencing any challenge installing Katrana, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Katrana app from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, first you need to access or look for Google Play Store app, and from here make sure you are logged in with your Gmail account before you can download and install this app. That is if you are on Android. However, if you are on iPhone, then you should look for App Store. So I'm on Android and therefore I'll go to Play Store here, then log in, try search for your app. However, if you had already logged in but you are unable to install your app, then you should go to your profile icon, tap on it and scroll down to settings. From settings, look for network preferences, and under it you can see you have various options. Look for this option called app download preference. If you tap on it, choose the first option, which is over any network. So if you tap on this will ensure you can download apps via any network that you are currently connected to. To save the changes, tap on OK. Now make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on, or if you don't have Wi-Fi, then turn on your mobile data to install your app. However, if this didn't work, then the problem might be with Play Store app itself. For that, you need to access Play Store app and info page by just long pressing on it and tap on app info. However, if you don't see this app info option, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of them to access app info page. At this point, we want to clear the app data, but if I go to storage, this will give us a breakdown of data stored by this app. So you might find that in some cases there is a lot of cache data. When you have a lot of cache data, this might hinder your Play Store app to function well. So you need to fix this by just tapping on clear data down below and then clear cache and finally OK. At this point, you'll need to restart your smartphone, open your app before you can search for Katrana. So I'll search for Katrana, here it is. And now if I tap on it, let's go ahead and see if we can install. Now look at that, I'm able now to download and install Katrana app. So that's how you can fix can't install Katrana from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.